towards the next question, that is, what is spermatogenesis, and briefly describe the process of spermatogenesis. First of all, the first part of this question is asking what is spermatogenesis. Now, spermatogenesis is actually a process through which the formation of male gamete or sperm cells takes place. So, the process through which the sperm cells are being formed, this process is known as spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis takes place inside the testis, and precisely if we say inside the seminiferous tubules, as the seminiferous tubules are having specialized cells known as spermatogonia, and these spermatogonias are going to give rise to sperm cells or male gametes. So, the spermatogenesis is a process of formation of male gametes or sperm cells inside the testis of a male. We have completed the first part of this question. The second part of this question is asking briefly describe the process of spermatogenesis. So let's describe the process of spermatogenesis with the help of a diagrammatic representation. Here we are taking spermatogonia. This is spermatogonia. Spermatogonias are present inside the seminiferous tubules of the testis in the males. So we are taking spermatogonias because these are the cells which actually give rise to the sperm cells or male gametes. So this is spermatogonia, which is undergoing the process of mitotic division. It is undergoing mitotic division or mitosis. Now, why is it undergoing the mitotic division and why not meiotic division? Because the spermatogonias wants to multiply, they want to increase in number. So, for increasing number, they are undergoing the mitotic division. Now, after completing the mitotic division, there will be several cells. Now, these cells will actually differentiate or grows and forms a huge cell like this. This is primary spermatocyte. See here, spermatogonia is undergoing the mitotic divisions to multiply or to increase in number. After this, when we will have a huge number of spermatogonias, among these all spermatogonias, some of them will grow in size, will differentiate and transforms into a new cell. That new cell is known as primary spermatocyte. This is primary spermatocyte. Now, this primary spermatocyte will undergo the meiotic division, and as we know that meiotic division will occur in two phases, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. So first of all, this primary spermatocyte I am drawing here, I am writing here, this primary spermatocyte is undergoing the first meiotic division, that is meiosis 1. This primary spermatocyte is undergoing meiotic division 1 and producing two cells. There is a equal division is happening. So primary spermatocyte is undergoing the first meiotic division and is forming two cells. These two cells are known as secondary spermatocytes. Secondary spermatocytes. Now, after completing meiotic 1 division, each of the secondary spermatocyte will undergo the second meiotic division. So both of the secondary spermatocyte will undergo the second meiotic division here, second meiotic division, and after completing the second meiotic division, first of all I am writing here that they are going second meiotic division, which results into the formation of 4 cells over here, 4 cells. These 4 cells, after completing the meiotic division, are known as spermatids. Now, these all spermatids will differentiate into a new structure and they will form sperm cells or spermatozoa. They will form sperm cells or spermatozoa. So this is spermatogenesis, that a spermatogonia will undergo mitotic division to increase number of them. Then among all these spermatogonia cells, some will transform into primary spermatocytes like this. Primary spermatocyte will undergo meiotic division, one meiotic division, and forms two cells, which is secondary spermatocytes. Each of the secondary spermatocyte will undergo second meiotic division and forming four cells known as spermatids. Each of the spermatid will differentiate into a new structure known as sperm cell or spermatozoa. Now let's discuss the ploidy level of each of the cells written here. Now, the spermatogonia, which is the very first cell of in the process of spermatogenesis, the spermatogonia is 2N, diploid cell, which is a part of our body only. So this is diploid cell. Now it is undergoing the mitotic division or equational division. So there will be no reduction of chromosomes in them. So the spermatogonias which are increased in number will always be 2N. All these are 2N. As you can see, there is no division is occurring from here to here. So first cell, the primary spermatocyte, are always 2N. These are also 2N. These are also diploid cells. Now let's come towards this. This is also a primary spermatocyte. Being diploid, this is undergoing meiotic division to form sperm cells or male gametes. So when any cell is undergoing meiotic division, there will be the reduction of chromosomes by half. So as this primary spermatocyte is undergoing first mitotic division, producing two daughter cells, so these cells will be haploid. So primary spermatocyte undergoing first meiotic division will result into the formation of two haploid cells, and these two haploid cells are known as primary spermatocytes. These primary spermatocytes are undergoing second meiotic divisions. So all these cells known as spermatids are also haploid. All these spermatids are haploid, and thus all these spermatids are just transforming. They are not undergoing any kind of division. These all spermatids are transforming into new structure known as sperm cells or spermatozoa. So all these spermatozoa are always haploid. These are also haploid. Hence proved that all gametes, either male or female, are always haploid. As we can see, the process of spermatogenesis finally resulting into the formation of spermatozoa or sperm cells are haploid. You can see these are haploid cells or haploid gametes. So we have completed with the process of spermatogenesis and what is actually spermatogenesis.